guys, I'm Neeli and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know what you guys must be thinking, that I'm uploading a video after 2 whole months. That's because I've been kind of busy with all of my studies and all of that, so I'm really sorry for not uploading a video for so long. I'll try my best to upload at least one video per month. But anyways, getting right to the point, today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a easy bookmark. So for this, I'll mention all of the things that I use in the description box down below. And without any further delay, let's get right in the video, guys.
Okay, so we'll start now. I took a black paper, that black chart paper, and I made swatches of purple and blue paint first, and then I'll go in with darker blues, especially where I want contrast. I went in with an even more darker blue. I use these colors. You guys can even use different combinations which will look good as a galaxy. I used black paper because it looked better on black than on white, and I also added white paint in some places because I wanted the galaxy like look. I also sort of used a brush which I'll show you guys later to make the stars sort of. You guys will see how I did that. And to make bigger stars, I sort of also hit the brush on another brush and sort of made those dots. I didn't show that though. And now I have cut the paper and to the size of a cardboard, and I stuck it on there. Also on the other side, I added another paper to write down a quote. If you guys want to leave it here, you guys can. I added that like tassel like thingy so that it looks better. I also added like bigger stars with a white pen. I wrote that quote with glitter pen if you guys saw that. And here's those are the bigger stars which I drew, and this is how it finally turned out. That's it, guys.
If you made it so far into my video, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope that today's video was really enjoyable and that you guys liked the bookmark idea which I did. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and if you already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you can notify whenever I upload a video. And I also wanted to thank all of you guys who have been subscribed to me for so long, because if you guys didn't know, on 14th of July I completed 3 years on YouTube. So thank you so much to all of you who subscribed to my channel since day one, and even those who have been subscribed to my channel recently. Thank you so much for being with me. And as I said before, I'll try to upload at least one video per month. So you guys can put in all of your ideas for videos in the comment box down below. And since it's raining these days, stay safe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.